Hello, my name is Anna, and this is my second video blog guest speaker entry. So this week in class, we had Dr. J.J. Housley come and talk to us. Dr. Housley is has a pharmacy degree, his MBA, and then also his FACHE. So Dr. Housley is, his title I think he's an assistant hospital administrator. So he works on a lot of their case management, their labs, works on patient transport, post-acute care. Basically, he's just said he's an administrator for patient through stay. So once they get there, the whole time they're there, and then they leave. Dr. Housley had some interesting insights on some things that I really appreciated. Basically, he talked a lot about what you could do to kind of make yourself look good, to get yourself in the hospital. He talked a lot about different jobs that you could get if you had no previous experience, no certificates or anything, just straight out of high school pretty much. So I appreciated that a lot. I needed some ideas for what I could do next summer. He also talked a lot about just kind of the interview process and getting started. So he's talking about how, for him, I think one of the most important things was finding a mentor that you really trust, that you really can open up to. You can trust with how your career path is going to go and the advice that they give you. He also talked a lot about interview-wise, making sure that your resume is pretty much just nice and clean to the point. And he's just like, we don't want to see all that frou-frou. We just want the information. He also talked about behavioral-based questions and how important those are, and how often they're used in hospital management interviews. So that was really great to hear, to kind of have something to go off of for the future. Let's see, another thing that he talked about was the MHA or the MBA. I asked him, I think, about what his opinions were on which one was better, and he really just said the MHA, the MPA, the MPH, or the MBA. So basically hospital administration, public health, public administration, or business administration. All of those are helpful, so that was really great to hear. It didn't lower my or narrow down my choices, but it was good to hear that all of those were viable. So yeah, it was good.